Hey, you have something like this? Smaller, bigger, the same size. Maintenance it. Let me show you how. Now I'm going to take you through maintenancing a fog machine. Now I have a larger fog machine here, but really this technique that I'm going to show you really applies to any fog machine. And it's really there to clean the fog machine both before and after, and even you can use this in the midst of the season just as a clean out throughout your season, depending on how long you're running, whatever you're running with your fog machine. It'll help maintain the fog machine, make it last longer, keep the components clean inside, and keep it from that dreaded situation of something clogging in the actual core heater block itself. Now, to do this, it's really simple. All I do is I take a cup and I literally use both distilled water and vinegar, mix about a 50-50 mixture, and then run it through the fog machine. Now, before you do this, you're going to want to drain any old fog fluid that is in the machine out, or at least if you have an external vat of fog, pull it out of that and obviously put it into the cleaning fluid that we're going to make. Now, to do this, I'm literally going to combine two parts, one part being the water and the other part being the vinegar. Now that I've mixed the two together, I'll probably just still take a stir stick and actually mix this up just to make sure it's mixed together, and then I'll pour it into the machine. Once I have the cleaning mixture in the machine, then it's as simple as just cycling the machine through a handful of heat cycles and literally letting that fluid push through the system. Now the initial blast will probably still contain fog, so once you get through that initial blast and it clears out the old fog fluid, then you'll start seeing a clear mist essentially coming out of the front of the fog machine.
Check out the MalaMaker wiki for more fog machine hacks at wiki.malamaker.org.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm MalaMaker, and happy making.